Hi, welcome back everyone. See this problem. So this is a problem on the resistor circuit. So having two sources. So one is 40 volt source, another is dependent current source, that is 0.4 I1. Now asking that how to find current I1 which was passing through 300 ohms. So let's consider that. So here there is a current I1 was passing according to the problem. Now this current I1 was entering this side and 0.4 I1 was entering this side. Means the total current was entering in 5 ohms is nothing but I minus this value, because both are entering in opposite direction. The difference nothing but that's the current in 5 ohms. Now how can you find the current I1 here? So I am going to use here KVL theorem. So here let's consider there is a voltage drop V1 and here there is a voltage drop V2 in this loop. So according to KVL, we know that source voltage equal to sum of all voltage drop, that is V1 plus V2. Here source voltage is nothing but Vs, this is 40 volts. So 40 volts equal to V1. So V1 is the voltage drop in 300 ohms. So according to Ohm's law, V1 nothing but I into R. So in this 300 ohms, R is nothing but 300 and current I is given as I1 So I1 into resistance is 300, it gives V1 value, plus next V2. So V2 is the voltage drop across 500 ohms. So in this is the current and this is the resistance. Now product this, we will get voltage, that is V2. So that is I minus 0.4 I1 into 500. So from this we will get 300 I1 plus, so I1 minus 0.4 I1 nothing but 0.6 I1 into 500. It becomes 300 I1 plus 0.6 into 500, nothing but 300. So 300 I1, so it gives 600 I1. So that is equal to source voltage, that is 40. So from this we will get I1 equal to 40 by 600. 0 cancel. Now by simplifying this we will get I1 equal to 66.67 milliamperes. So this is the current passing through 300 ohm resistor, and this is the required value for the given problem, and this is the process of simplification. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.